This is your opportunity to take a look at version 2.0 and our social network and hear it from our visionary, Lawrence Sowell. Lawrence, I'm going to turn it right over to you.
Guys, thanks everybody for making it. What I'm going to do is give you a demonstration of the social network on my desktop. I might even throw it up on my iPhone real quick just to show you that it's also on phones as well. Let me get started here. As you can see, we have a social network. It's a news feed. What's really cool and unique is it has dual columns. You can see that there's two different feeds over here. You can easily work between the two of them, and I'll show you some of those features here in just a minute. Just to get started, at the top of the screen, you can see that Lawrence Sowell posted Gene doing some work in Singapore. Those are tags where you see Hublot and Armani Cologne. I tagged a couple items on that post, but I shared a post. And then something else that you'll see down here is where it says cool. That's our version of the like button, if you would. But instead of saying you like something, you're heating a post up. So it starts cool and it goes to warm, toasty. It gets hot. It gets blazing on fire, inferno. So it gets hotter and hotter and hotter the more people interact with that post. We believe that to be one of the best features. We think that's going to get a lot of use and probably become a favorite feature on the social network. Also, what's really cool about it is we have Grow It right here. Now, what makes Grow It really cool is you can save a post for later. You can favorite it. You can re-tag a post, or you can simply just share a post. And then, of course, you can see open form commenting. I could just type something in and say, oh, that looks like fun, what have you. So real simple open form commenting, very easy to understand. The hot button, as we call it, it goes from cool to inferno. We have a patent pending on that, and there's a few other patents that we have pending as well here as I move along. What I'm going to do next is show you what it looks like when you click on a profile. For example, I'll click on mine, and when I do that, it's going to bring my profile up over on the right-hand side. And what's really neat about that is I don't lose the place of where I was in my news feed over here. I'm able to be over here and go through somebody's profile. Let's say that I wanted to click on that Hublot tag right there. When I click on that, it is now going to shop that product on the left-hand side. So again, as you can see, I'm not losing my place, and here I am, and this is the retailers right here, and I can shop and purchase one of those watches. Real simple interface and really easy to understand. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to move over to the right-hand column where you see home, chat, posts, notifications, and more. Now, the home, I kind of call this like your personal control panel. This is where you can click to access your own profile by clicking on your name. This is also where you'll be able to invite friends as well. You'll also be able to access your bank here. This will show you how much money you've made or got cash back from purchases. And then as well, you have analytics. I believe analytics to be very important, and the specific reason is because you're going to be able to see how your posts are performing. So you'll be able to see how many people viewed your post versus how many people heated up your post, how many people grew your post or clicked on tags from your post, and that is going to enable you to create better content. And the most important thing about a social network is the content that's created there. And with analytics, it's going to help every user be better at the posts that they share so that they get more interactions and thus brings back more users to the social network for that content. Next is favorites. You're able to favorite posts, products, and search queries. So that's going to be a quick link to that. And then as well, you can access your friends and following and followers and manage them there. And then, of course, your connected social networks. Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest are going to be the 4 social networks that we're going to be able to share to. And then you have images and videos here as well. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on chat. Chat's going to allow you to do group messaging, individual messaging, but what's really cool about this chat is you can actually tag products in the chat itself. Just to open up a chat that I have with Mike Green here, as you can see, he sent me a picture and he tagged window tinting and Nico window cleaner. So what's really cool about this chat is you could have a group of friends all over the world and you could be chatting together. You could be tagging stuff in your chat and shopping and finding the best deals online together and making commissions off each other's online shopping and getting cash back off all the things that you purchase. We also have a patent pending on this chat feature that gives you the ability to be able to make money through tagging products on a chat. Next, post, pretty straightforward. This is where you say something, add a photo or video, tag your location, tag products if you would. For example, if I was going to tag a product, I would click on this. Let's say that it was going to be Hublot since that's already there. Then all I have to do is click the tag it button, it drops it right down, as you can see right there, and then I can finish adding a photo or video or saying whatever I'm going to say and sharing it. And as you can see, we have Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus there. Like I said, we will be adding Pinterest to that as well. Here I'm going to go to notifications. This is really straightforward. If somebody interacts with your content in any way, shape, or form, whether it's from your post or somebody else's post that you interacted with, then you're going to get a notification about that. So that one's pretty self-explanatory. And then there's the More section. This is where you're going to log out. This is where you're going to check out your notification settings and change how you get notifications from us, your privacy settings, whether you want friends only or public. And then also this is where you have access to the company profile, tutorials, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and contact us. But I want to show you how we're going to use the company profile. So I'm just going to click on that, and what you're going to see here is this is the company profile right there. This is a little bit about us. You can be friends with the company. You can even launch a chat with the company. And then, of course, you can see the posts that the company has done. You can also see the tutorials that the company has. And you also can check out the privacy, and you can check out the terms, all right here in a social feed. Anytime there's any updates, we'll update it as a company update, and it'll be shared with everybody that's following or friends with the company, and easy access. So I'm just going to click on my name here, and here I am. I'm inside my profile. As you can see, I have a background photo. I have my profile picture, my name, something about me, my birthday, relationship status, where I live, friends, following, followers, and then my post, favorites, media, and then we're working on something for the More section that we will release at a later date. Back over here to the top left, and I'm going to click on the search bar. Now there's three things that you can search for here. When I search posts, they can search for purses, and it will show a news feed of nothing but users that have posted something with purses in it. So you can actually dictate your experience exactly how you want by searching posts. And what I think is really cool about that is people might use that as a way to find out cool information about products and services by asking people who tag products and services or are talking about them. The next one's pretty straightforward. That's users. So if you were to search for users, it's just going to pull up whoever you're searching for. So this is how you're going to find people. The last one, the most exciting one, is shopping. So this is where you'll actually be able to directly shop all of our retailers for products. But what makes shopping really exciting is it's going to be honed in to where you're located. You're going to be able to filter it by brand, by category, by retailer, by price range. So you're going to be able to price check products. We're also going to be adding travel and services to this as well at a local level. So local businesses will be able to have their products and services in here. Travel companies will be able to have that in here. You'll be able to find deals and search deals on travel eventually. So shopping is really, really cool. Next is trending. That's going to show you anything that's trending, tags that people have interacted with the most. And then history. Any tag that you've interacted with, whether it's a tag that you did or clicked on, is going to be saved in your history so that you can easily get back to that chat again. Now, there's a couple more patents involved here. One of those is the dual column. We have a patent pending on that, and we also have a patent pending on the fact that you can tag a product in a post and make money if somebody buys content from your post. So we've done this to protect our interface, our cool features, and to be able to protect our company so that nobody else can duplicate these concepts that we have came up with. Also, I'd like to add there's three ways that you can make money with the social network. Number one, you can make money when anybody you referred is shopping or they referred. As an iGrow Network associate, you can make up to 9 levels of what anybody purchases that you've referred through 9 levels. Through chatting, the same exact thing. You can make money from any of your tags that you're chatting with somebody about, or you can make money from people you referred who are tagging stuff and chatting. The same thing with posts. You can make money when somebody clicks on and purchases from your post or anybody's post that you've referred through 9 levels. So those are the 3 ways to make money. Now, a lot of people ask what makes this different than other social networks, and the real difference is that the user controls their experience. The user controls the newsfeed experience that they want to see. They control their content and data. We do not sell your data. You own your data and your content, and you will make money off of that with us.